Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Math Question 7. In the figure not drawn to scale, BCDE is a rhombus and ABEF is a square. The question is to find angle AEC. We can see AE and CE are diagonals of the square and the rhombus respectively, and these two diagonals can divide these two figures into equal portions, two equal portions. Also, for angle AEB is half of angle BEF. We all know that angle BEF is a 90-degree angle, is a right angle. So it's half of 90 degrees is 45 degrees. This one 45. And for rhombus, opposite angles are equal. This is the property of a rhombus. So we know angle CBE equals angle CDE 112. This is the property of rhombus. So 112 degrees here. And next, we take a look at side BE equals BC, also properties of rhombus. So triangle BCE is an isosceles triangle, and angle BEC equals 180 degree minus 112 degree. After that, divide by 2. 68 divided by 2, 34 degrees. This part 34 degrees. And angle, so angle AEC equals 45 plus 34. The answer is 79 degrees. Answer: angle AEC equals 79 degrees. Okay. Thanks for watching.